Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Master your money with these easy budgeting tips. Where did all my money go? If you've ever asked this a week after payday, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the best budgeting tips for beginners to help you take control of your finances. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. From the 50-30-20 rule and zero-based budgeting to budgeting apps and behavior hacks, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First step, know exactly where your money is going. Track every dollar you spend for one full month. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or app, whatever works for you. Group expenses by category: rent, groceries, coffee, dining out, etc. Most people are shocked by how much they're spending without realizing it. This step creates awareness, and awareness leads to change. Budgeting works best when you have a purpose. Ask yourself, what am I working toward? Is it building an emergency fund? Getting out of debt? Saving for a car? Be specific. Save $1,000 in 3 months is much better than save money. Goals give you motivation and make budgeting meaningful. A simple rule to follow is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs: housing, utilities, food, insurance. 30% goes to wants: entertainment, dining out, subscriptions. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. If you're earning $3,000 a month, that's $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 for savings or debt. Not perfect for everyone, but it's a solid starting point. Adjust as needed. Zero-based budgeting means you assign every dollar of income a specific job. Your income minus expenses equals zero on purpose. If you make $4,000 this month, every dollar should be planned: bills, savings, debt, groceries, fun, until there's nothing left unassigned. This method gives you full control and ensures nothing gets wasted. Apps like You Need a Budget, YNAB, or Every Dollar follow this method. Don't do this alone. Technology makes budgeting easier. Some of the best budgeting apps: Mint, free and automatic tracking; YNAB, great for zero-based budgeting; Good Budget, digital envelope system; Every Dollar, simple and effective. Most apps link to your bank account and track spending in real time. They categorize expenses and help you stick to your limits. Want to build savings fast? Pay yourself first, before you pay for anything else. Set up automatic transfers from checking to savings as soon as you get paid. Even $50 per paycheck adds up. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. Automate it and forget it. Try tools like Acorns, which round up your purchases and invest the change. If credit cards make it too easy to overspend, go back to cash. The envelope system works like this. Set a spending limit for each category, like $200 for groceries. Put that amount in an envelope. Only spend what's in that envelope. When it's gone, it's gone. You can also do this digitally using apps like Good Budget. Find your money leaks. Review your expenses and look for patterns. Unused subscriptions? Eating out too much? Impulse shopping? Cut what you don't use or value. Cancel subscriptions. Cook more meals at home. Use cashback apps and browser extensions like Rakuten or Honey. Small changes build big savings over time. A budget isn't set in stone, it's a living document. Each month, check. Did you stick to your plan? Where did you overspend? Where can you cut or adjust? As your income or expenses change, update your budget. Celebrate your wins. Every small goal you hit brings you closer to financial freedom. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring. Involve your partner or family. Start a savings challenge. Use visual trackers for debt payoff or savings progress. Reward yourself within reason when you reach goals. You can also find a budget buddy or join online communities to stay motivated. Budgeting is a lifestyle, and over time, it becomes second nature. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. Freedom from stress, freedom to plan, and freedom to reach your goals. Start small. Track your spending. Use a simple rule or app. Stick with it and stay consistent. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Likes, comments, subscriptions.